Today we're taking a look at this hydraulic crimper that has been sent to me free of charge for this review. And in this review, I'm going to be demonstrating how it's going to work so you can see just how simple it works and how well it works also. So this is what your crimper is going to look like. It does have some weight to it, and it is very heavy duty. We do have different sized crimpers as well, so you're going to be able to pick which size you need based on what you're crimping. This is what the attachments are going to look like, and they're going to go into your crimper very easily. They're just going to simply push right into place just like that. So for this demonstration, I am going to be crimping this terminal connector onto these wires just to show you how easy it is to do. So we have on the 6-gauge crimper, and you do want to make sure that you have it on the working mode, not the reset. Then place it into the crimper. Then you're going to continuously keep pressing down the handle until you have successfully crimped it. So once you start getting towards the end, you're going to notice a ton more pressure. Just keep on going until you can't anymore to make sure you have the tightest crimp. Then once you feel like you've done it enough, turn it to reset. It's going to release. Then you have your nice tight crimp. So that's just how easy it is to use your hydraulic crimper. When you're done, everything does go back into this really nice hard carrying case, so everything stays protected and everything is going to be right in one place when you need to use it the next time. So this is going to be able to be used in a variety of different scenarios. It's heavy duty, so it's going to last you a long time, and I think you're going to be really happy with it if you do decide to make your purchase of this hydraulic crimper.